and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at habitats. A habitat is a home environment for plants, animals or any living thing. Habitats might include the ocean, like we talked about in our previous science video, forests, grasslands or deserts. Microhabitats are smaller kind of environments or homes for plants, animals or insects. These include individual trees or ponds. An example of a habitat is our homes. Think of your home. You'll probably have somewhere to cook, wash and sleep at some point. Houses around the world are different. A house in Britain today might look very different from a home in Celtic Britain, where they lived with their animals to make sure that they were safe. Now we're going to look at two different kinds of habitats and see how they are different or similar. We are also going to look at how the two different kinds of homes helps the individuals who live there to survive. The polar bear lives in the Arctic. It is a hard environment to live in. The Arctic can be found where the picture on the left is coloured in with blue. It's very large. It's about 20% of the Earth's surface. The environment is mainly ice. But in the summer, the topsoil melts and the ground below is still frozen. Most plants cannot grow here, so it's very hard to get food. It's also freezing. The winter lasts about 8 months of the year. Animals, like polar bears, have had to make sure that they are able to survive these really harsh winters. Polar bears can do this thanks to them being large animals, so they have energy to run around to find food. They have fur to keep them warm and large paws to help them walk over the snow. The polar bear is suited to this habitat and it will continue to live there for the time being. Sadly, their home is melting due to the planet getting warmer, but people are trying to change this. This amazing creature has survived maybe one of the harshest climates in the world, and I think if we all help, it can survive its changing habitat. The second kind of habitat we are looking at is the rainforest. We are going to be talking about a tropical rainforest, which are coloured in green on the map on the left. The forests are covered with trees where animals can hide. They are warm but wet climates. One animal who lives here is the African forest elephant. They have a trunk which is very strong. It is useful in their environment to search for food high and low. It also helps them talk to each other through the thick trees. They also eat plants. In the rainforest, there are plenty of fruits and seeds to eat. They move throughout the forest to search for these fruits. However, this habitat is under threat from too many trees being cut down. But people are starting to replant these trees. Where there is positive people and action, there is hope for these beautiful creatures. Both kinds of animals take advantage of what their unique habitats provide. Their homes are different. One is frozen and cold, the other is warm and wet. Both habitats are changing because of human action, but they are also being partly saved thanks to positive human action. Habitats are there to provide animals, insects and plants with a home and to help them survive. It can be hard and they should be treated with respect. For the daily task today, look around your own home. Write or draw or just think of how your home helps you survive. Try and describe your home. How is it different from the warm, wet or cold and freezing habitats we talked about today? Ask an adult to let me know how you get on in the comments. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope it helps your learners think about how environments support survival or makes it so the animal, plant or insects adapts. My tutoring and Twitter links are in the description box down below. Thanks so much again and remember to take some time for yourself in this crazy world. Bye for now.